Oneplus 13t, complete design, color options and key features revealed ahead of launch highlights: black check mark, 3 stunning colors, morning mist gray, heart beating pink, and cloud ink black check mark, premium flat edge design with a compact 6.32-inch Full HD++ OLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, black check mark, powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite, flagship performance in a compact form black check mark, new quick key button replaces the alert slider for customizable shortcuts black check mark, massive 6200 mAh battery with 80 watts fast charging support black check mark, dual 50MP rear cameras for high quality photography. OnePlus 13t, design and color options. OnePlus has officially revealed the OnePlus 13t in a new teaser video, showcasing its sleek design and color variants ahead of its April 24 launch in China. Key design elements: white check mark, flat-edged frame, a modern, boxy design with subtle rounded corners for a premium feel. White check mark, center punch hole display, a 6.32-inch Full HD++ OLED panel with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner. White check mark, new quick key button, replacing the iconic alert slider. This customizable button allows quick access to apps or functions. White check mark, dual rear cameras, a square camera module houses dual 50MP sensors, primary plus 2x telephoto, and an LED flash. White check mark, 3 elegant colors. Morning mist gray, subtle and professional. Heart beating pink, vibrant and youthful. Cloud ink black, classic and sophisticated. Ports and buttons. Small blue diamond, right side, power button plus volume rocker. Small blue diamond, left side, new quick key action button. Small blue diamond, bottom, USB-C port, speaker grill, SIM tray, and primary microphone. Small blue diamond, top, secondary microphone, likely for noise cancellation. OnePlus 13t, expected specifications. Feature details. Display 6.32-inch Full HD++ OLED, 120Hz refresh rate. Processor Snapdragon 8 Elite, and 2.2 score, 3,006,913 RAM/storage up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM, 512GB UFS 4.0 storage. OS Android 15 with Color OS 15, China rear cameras 50MP main plus 50MP 2x telephoto. Front camera unspecified, likely 32MP battery 6200 mAh with 80 watts fast charging. Special feature quick key, replaces alert slider price and availability. While the official pricing remains under wraps, the OnePlus 13t is expected to be the most affordable Snapdragon 8 Elite phone in the market. Push-pin, pre-reservations are already open on Oppo's China website, hinting at an imminent release. Final thoughts. The OnePlus 13t is shaping up to be a compact powerhouse, combining flagship performance with a stylish design. With a big battery, fast charging, and a new quick key button, it could be a strong contender in the premium mid-range segment.